Hello and welcome to my sewing room. We are super excited. The new Bernina 790 Pro machine has launched in Canada. Our floor model is going to come out of the box today so we can show you what's coming with the machine. And then you're welcome to come on into the store and see us for a hands-on demo and maybe to decide that it should be the machine that goes home with you as your next machine. So without further ado, Chelsea is over at the box and I will give you the tour as she pulls everything out. I'm gonna move my face, hang on. So Chelsea is unboxing the SDT module, so the embroidery module that is coming with the 790 Pro. One of the big changes coming with this Pro model is an upgraded 26 foot, which is now going to be the 26L foot. And we've got our small hoop, our large oval, our medium hoop. Ooh, I always love getting thread. And in that packet, in the box on the top, that will have your hoop templates as well as some sample stabilizer from OESD. Small bag of goodies will have template clips, the 26L foot with the larger opening, template clips, thread net in case you have slinky, slippy threads, package of embroidery needles to get you started. And is that the 26L foot?
It sure is.
It's got a bigger opening in the base sole of the foot that is going to allow the needlepoint laser that is included on the 790 Pro to, shine right through the foot. Let me show you that up close here. So 26L foot, much bigger opening in the base. And back to Chelsea. That SDT module does not want to come out of the box. These modules run up to 55% faster than Bernina's original large module, and they also run much, much quieter. That, along with the speed improvements on the 790 Pro, you are going to be embroidering so many things so quickly on this new machine. Okay, down into the actual machine box. This is probably going to be packed in a similar fashion to the other 7 Series machines. However, I see that they've got packing instructions on the top cover there. Nice.
That'll make it easier to put it away.
I'm pretty good at getting 7 Series machines back into their box. They don't give me trouble. Can't say so much for all the machines out there. We've got our extension table with that little window so you can see down to thread your bobbin. More thread! It would be so sad to go home with a new machine and not have thread to sew with when you get there. The knee lift, or the freehand system, that will allow you to lift your presser foot without taking your hands off your work. Power cord, so you can plug your machine in and go, 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 go. Oh, that seam guide for the slide-on table. That will actually clip onto the slide-on table and allow you to keep all sorts of things in line perfectly as you're sewing them. And there's the accessory box. And we'll let Chelsea pull it out there and then we'll show you the innards of that on the close-up cam in a minute. There's a box inside the box. Another box. We'll unpack those little things on the close-up cam. And is that the Bernina stitch regulator? Fabulous. Want to keep going on the big box?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll keep going on the big box.
In here.
So that box should have the user manual and accessories guide, and probably the warranty information. Look at all that styrofoam. These machines come so carefully packed and well thought out. Why never take those out? I just pull that whole next layer off.
It's my friend to come.
Oh, fair. Dust cover. So if you ever put your machine to bed, it can be covered and protected. Foot control, and that's the advanced foot control with the needle up-down feature on the back kick. And the 3A, the buttonhole foot. No. I know what I'm expecting in this box. That matte black. Oh, that's sharp. There is our B790 Pro. When the machine ships, it comes with the 1C foot installed. And that should be all the goodies out of the box, I believe.
Yeah.
How would you come join me? You can unbox the little things. Swap chairs around.
I think we should grab that.
Oh, good call. So in your hand right now is the standard 26 foot that has been included with embroidery modules for a number of years. And on the left-hand side is that new 26L foot. So it's a much wider opening, which will be really, really nice for the needlepoint laser that's built into the 790 Pro. The automatic buttonhole foot, number 3A. Best buttonholes. In with the stitch regulator. You'll get an instruction booklet, the open toe sole, which is similar to number 24, the clear sole, which is similar to a number 44 foot, and the closed-toed sole, which is similar to a number 9 foot. But all of those with the stitch regulation capabilities. Into the next box. This is fun.
It is fun. Ooh, there's a bag in the box.
So you get several of the jumbo bobbins that come with Berninas and the B9 hook. A 4D, which is a zipper foot. A touchscreen stylus. And oil to keep your machine running smoothly. Number 8D, so that would be a jeans foot. 40C, which is sideways feed foot. a 2A overcasting, 5, which is a blind hem foot, 1D, which is a reverse pattern feed foot with dual feed, and a 20C, so an open toe 9mm foot. Oh no! One of those feet has lost its screw in transit.
The heart attack screw.
If you ever see a small screw laying on the bed of your Bernina machine, there's a good chance that one of your presser feet has had its little tiny screw that holds the seam guides in place wiggle loose.
Okay, we found it. It was
Those are
the
probably-
1D foot.
Those are probably put in by hand at the factory. So if they didn't get it in quite far enough, definitely a little bit of wiggling could have dislodged it in transit. A straight stitch plate. That's a good box of goodies.
That is a good box. All the essentials.
In the accessory box, there's another box. That is the,
This one's in there good, Leah.
what is in there good?
It's a screwdriver.
The little gray screwdriver that comes with the machine. We'll get it out later. And in this box, they're kind of essentials with every machine. So this bag of goodies is often with every Bernina. We have foam pads for your vertical spool pin, large spool cap, medium spool cap, and small spool cap.
I like this one.
That one's my favorite. I use a lot of Isacord thread. I use that spool cap a lot. A height compensating tool. A seam ripper, because as much as we all want to be perfect, sometimes we need to reverse sew. Unsew. Lint brush to help keep your machine nice and clean. A screwdriver. They're always handy to have. A package of needles to get you started. And that would be another screwdriver. That would be the Torx 20 screwdriver. And a right seam guide that'll fit into your standard sewing machine feet. Other things in your cabinet, there's extra hangers for your feet. And you can set up your accessory box as you desire.
That was fun.
So what's your favorite thing that comes with the 790 Pro so far?
I'm loving that matte black face.
Right?
I am.
It's a sharp looking machine.
It's sharp, and I bet it's not going to show as many fingerprints.
Oh yeah. Yeah, some of the really shiny ones definitely show fingerprints.
They sure do.
Yeah. I'm super excited for the tech that is in the machine. There are some very cool features, so stay tuned. We'll showcase those in another video. But for today, now you know what comes with the machine,
A lot of goodies.
so that when you're unboxing yours, you can watch through again and identify all your bits and pieces.
I can't wait.
Thanks for joining us at my sewing room today for our unboxing of the Bernina 790 Pro. Take care, everybody.
Bye.